Peace and love, y'all. Naeem here. Just wanted to share this short video of a couple visual gestalts that I looked at while working a session. This was a quick precognitive session that I was attempting. Completely AOL'd the shit out of this, but I thought it'd be interesting to share to show the kind of damage that can happen to the information from the time you see it to the time that you actually write down, describe your impressions. Um, so I want you to pay attention to the target image and what I draw, what I saw in my session, and you could see the similarities uh, in the structure and the patterns. But then my description goes completely south. I jump to conclusions. So hopefully this is a good little example to show people kind of like the challenges in remote viewing and the ongoing struggle between the analytical side and the intuitive side. And this is the reason why we practice. Practice makes perfect, and perfect is always just out of reach. So hopefully this is interesting. Peace and love, y'all. Thanks for watching. Structure 1. STRUCTURE 1. Structure 1. I get a sense of like sounds. I get a hiss. Smells. Okay, there's something that's like textures would be I get the idea of like a fence. A fence. I get the sense of like sounds. This looks like it's the sense I get here is like something that's collapsed over, not collapsed, but pushed over. It's got a dip in it, like bent out of shape. Yeah, it reminds me of like a fence. Get like district, like off limits, partition, barrier. So that's what I'm getting there. Yeah, that's what I'm getting there.